Hi guys, I'm back with another two-step word problem today. So tomorrow I'm going to be doing something different for math. Remember, I'm going to be doing 3 two-step word problems a week. So today is going to be another two-step word problem, but tomorrow I'll be back with something different. So I have had a few kids asking about how to do different two-step word problems at home. And so linked in the description box below are going to be a ton of different two-step word problems that you guys can do from home. You don't have to print them out. They're going to be free. All you have to do is just download them and you can just pull them up online. I wish I could print some off for you. I thought there was some in the packet that I sent home, but it turns out there wasn't. So that was my mistake. I deeply apologize, but you guys can join in on the problems that I do here weekly, the 3 problems a week, and then I will make sure that I have some available for you in the description box below. But without further ado, let's get started on today's problem. So our problem today is tickets to a play are $5 for children and $8 for adults. How much will tickets to the play cost for 3 children and 2 adults? So as always, I've got my marker that's a different color because remember, it's very easy for these problems to confuse us and we want to underline our key information so we don't get confused. So I'm going to start off by underlining the question so that way I know what is it am I ultimately trying to solve. So my question is, how much, I'm going to try and turn here, how much will tickets to the play cost for 3 children and 2 adults? Okay, so now what I need to do is go back and circle key information that is important. So let's start from the beginning of the problem. So tickets to a play are $5 for children. So if I take a child, it's going to cost me $5. So I'm going to circle this, and I'm going to draw an arrow here and circle children. Because I need to remind myself that it's $5 for children, not $5 for an adult. What I could see here easily happening is kids, when they're going to solve the problem, accidentally multiplying and thinking that a ticket price for an adult is $5. No, it's $5 for children, okay? Keep reading. $8 for adults. So here, I'm going to do the same thing that I did for my children. I'm going to circle the 8. I'm going to circle the adults. And I'm going to draw an arrow because it's $8 for my adults, okay? Now, how much will tickets to the play cost for 3 children and 2 adults? So now we get into solving the problem, okay? So first step, we need to figure out how much tickets price will cost for 3 children. So I'm going to be solving, my handwriting's about ready to get real wonky, so I'm going to turn on you here. 3 children, and how much is the ticket price for kids? So let's go back. Tickets to a play are $5 for children. So I'm going to multiply here 3 times 5 to figure out how much it costs for kids. Once again, here you could draw equal groups. You could do an array. You could get manipulatives out. You could do whatever it is that's going to help you solve this problem easiest. I'm going to choose to do my song. So I'm going to put my marker down, get my fingers ready. I'm going to count my 3s like a champion. I'm talking 3, 6, 9, and 12, 15. So I have my 5 fingers up. I counted by 3s. That means that it cost them $15 for the kids. Now am I done? I would like you to pause the problem here. Talk to those around you, mom, dad, sibling, dog, whatever you have around you. Do you think that this is where the problem ends? Okay, I hope you're back and I hope you said no, because remember, we need to figure out how much it costs for the 3 children and the 2 adults. So we have 2 tickets for the adults, and how much are each adult tickets? Let's see. Tickets to a play are $5 for children and $8 for adults. So 2 times 8. Once again, arrays, equal groups, manipulatives, draw a picture, tons of different strategies, but I am going to do my song. So I'm going to use my fingers, I'm going to use my 2 song, and I'm going to stop when I have 8 fingers held up. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, so I have 8 fingers held up, counted by 2s, and that tells me that 2 times 8 is 16. So, tickets for the adults were $16. Now, am I done here? This is another great time for you to pause the problem, pause the video, and talk with those around you. Okay, I want to know how much will tickets to the play cost for 3 children and 2 adults. Now, technically, you know how much the tickets for the children cost and how much the adults cost, but do you know how much money you're going to be spending all together for that family? No. So what strategy or which operation will you need to use to figure out how much money you're going to be spending all together? I use that keyword all together. What operation do you think I'm going to be using here? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? Again, I invite you, pause the video, have the conversation, and tell me what you think. I hope you're back, and I hope that you said addition. Now we're going to take the money that we spent on the tickets for the kids and the amount of money that we spent from the tickets for the adults, and we're going to add them together to figure out how much money we spent all together. So 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 gives us 11. So I'm going to put a 1 on the bottom, carry my 1, and then 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So all together, they spent $31 on tickets to go to the play. All right, kids. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's 2-step word problem. I'll be back tomorrow with new content. As always, I miss you, I love you, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, guys.